Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will discuss that how we can change our that call ringtone. So first we have to go to settings and then we have to search here call, and on this option call settings, and now phone ringtone music. You can choose any music you had downloaded, or you can apply the ringtone which is in the phone only. If you want to know that how I have downloaded these songs, so comment it down. I will make a special video for you guys. So I have to set this and tick. So check it will absolutely work. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.